Relational debt is the silent killer of high-performance networks. Just like financial debt, relational debt accrues interest in the form of resentment, friction, and systemic instability until your connection collapses under the weight of unresolved obligations. Today, we define the mechanics of relational debt and install a protocol for systematic repayment and bound zero balance. In any partnership, every unaddressed grievance, missed expectation, or unspoken compromise is a loan taken against the future health of that relationship. When you ignore these, the interest rate climbs. The friction you feel today isn't just about the current situation, it is the compounding cost of every previous error you failed to debug. You cannot build a stable architecture on a foundation of hidden liabilities. The first step is the liability audit. You must identify where you have failed to deliver on expectations or where they have failed you, without the bias of emotional defense. This is not about assigning blame, it is about recognizing the technical failure. Where did the communication break? Where did the system deviate from the agreed-upon protocol? Next, execute the repayment protocol. This is not an apology, it is a restatement of terms. You acknowledge the debt, recalibrate the protocol to ensure the error cannot reoccur, and reset the interaction loop. You must explicitly realign on the new operational standard to ensure the loan is cleared. Finally, practice zero balance auditing. Conduct regular, scheduled reviews to ensure no new debt is accruing. If you leave issues to fester, you are allowing structural rot to compromise your network. Stop carrying the burden of bad debt. Start engineering clean, high-value interactions. When you maintain a zero balance on your relational obligations, you maximize the efficiency of your network and ensure your alliances remain unbreakable. If you want to move from accidental relationships to architected connections, subscribe and join the 1% who engineer their circle. Lead with value, not expectations. This is your protocol for total relational control.